My name is Trelissa Moses. I'm from Lansing, Illinois, and I am a video producer and editor. I would describe my style as funky or spontaneous, full of spunk, classy with a side of extra. Growing up, I used to be made fun of in school for being overweight. All of that bullying really lowered my self-esteem. But one day in college, I made up my mind to just start wearing whatever I believed that was stylish that was in my closet. At the time, I wanted to wait till I lost weight, but I was like, wait, why wait? You know, what's the point of waiting until I'm like a size 12 or 14 to wear something cute? Let's start now. And that is exactly what I did. It is very liberating for me whenever I wear something that a lot of people say big girls can't wear, but I end up rocking it and proving them absolutely wrong. Oh my God, that is the most amazing feeling ever. I want to inspire other big girls that they can wear whatever they want, especially that really risky outfit that they're eyeing at the mall or online. I believe my style says that I am fun, I'm daring, and I'm not afraid to wear what I want when I want, and that I have an abundance of confidence. I got it. That's cute.